Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Anome token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Anome is a blockchain based card game and on-chain assets issuance platform that integrates GameFi, NFTFi and DeepFi developed by Gnome technology. The project aims to transform how digital assets are created, traded, and utilized by combining interactive gameplay with real financial mechanics. The Anome ecosystem enables users to mint, trade, and battle using NFT based cards, where every transaction is executed directly on chain. It introduces a fund looking issuance mechanism that ensures transparency and prevent rug pulls. When users mint new assets, the funds are automatically logged in smart contract pools instead of going directly to the project wallet. This design provides verifiable liquidity protection and makes every asset's issuance traceable and accountable. Anome token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is 30 million Anome token. Anome token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.